Hi, this is Scoggett, and today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you slicing an onion my way. I'm going to show you a little tip what I use whenever I slice onions, and I hope you'll try this because it works for me. Go ahead and get it over here. You ever try to slice an onion and it's rolling around and you can't get it to, you go to slice it here and then it rolls and all that. Show you a little tip what I do to keep it from rolling. What that you do is take your knife and cut it like that. Then you lay it down, and you got a flat surface where the onion won't roll no more. Then you can go ahead and slice it up however you like to. See, it has a base to it where it's not going to roll. Making it safer to cut. Thought I'd share this little tip with you. A lot of people don't know about this, and it's so easy, and it makes slicing the onion so easy whenever you do it like this. And thought I would share it with you. This is Scoggett, and I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.